Poko! Hello, friends! Today I received a message from the Unicorn Kingdom. This is my friend, Candy.
Hello, Gaga Poko. I need your help. My friend Tom lost his colors here and he's very sad. We must help him. Please bring your friends and come here.
Hey, friends, we need to go to the Unicorn Kingdom right away. Candy needs our help. Let's go!
Welcome, Gaga Poko. Tom is here, and he's very sad. His colors disappeared, and his dreams are lost.
Don't worry, Tom. We will bring back all your colors. We need to reintroduce you to the colors once again. Now, let's take you to where your colors are. Color time!
Here comes the color pink. Pink is the color of happy dreams. It creates adorable.
Blue!
The color blue is noble. It gathers pure dreams. The silly is the color of the clouds.
Green!
Here is the main color of nature. Green. It gives peace and security. It's the color of freshness.
Red!
The color of love is red. Red is the bright, merry color of happiness and love. It's the color that tells us.
Yellow!
Yellow is the happy color of the warm mid-sun. It's the color of autumn that smells of melancholy.
Purple!
Purple is a sweet and green color. It has no ability and brings happiness. Hooray! I've regained my colors. I am very happy. My dreams have come back.
Thank you, Gaga Poko and friends. Tom has regained his colors and is now very happy. Learning the meaning of colors was wonderful. Now it's time to party.
A colorful party is so beautiful. We are all happy together. Friendship is very special.
We are thrilled to share our colorful unicorn adventure with you. If you enjoyed the fun, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye for now.